From the dawn of humanity we have gazed at the stars and wondered about our place in the cosmos. The vastness of space has always beckoned us to explore. This deep-seated desire to unravel the universe's secrets lies at the heart of space exploration. It is a journey into the unknown, driven by the human spirit of adventure. Today we send probes to distant planets and dream of setting foot on Mars. Space exploration is about the human spirit and our enduring fascination with the cosmos. The pursuit of space exploration has yielded a treasure trove of technological advancements that have transformed our lives here on Earth. From satellite communication and GPS navigation to medical imaging and weather forecasting, the benefits of space exploration are deeply intertwined with our daily existence. The challenges of designing and building spacecraft, operating in extreme environments and transmitting data across vast distances have spurred innovation in countless fields. Consider the ubiquitous GPS system, a technology we now take for granted. It relies on a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth, constantly beaming signals that allow us to pinpoint our location with remarkable accuracy. This technology, originally developed for military navigation, has revolutionized transportation, logistics, and even our everyday lives. Similarly, advancements in materials science, robotics, and computer technology, driven by the demands of space exploration, have found applications in diverse fields, from medicine and manufacturing to energy and environmental science. Space exploration is not just about venturing outwards, it also provides us with invaluable insights into our own planet. From the vantage point of space, we gain a unique perspective on Earth's interconnected systems, its fragile atmosphere, and the impact of human activities on our environment. Satellites orbiting our planet constantly monitor weather patterns, track deforestation, and measure changes in sea level, providing crucial data for climate scientists and environmental researchers. The study of other planets, particularly those in our own solar system, also helps us understand the history and evolution of Earth. By analyzing the atmospheres, geology, and magnetic fields of other planets, we can gain insights into the processes that shaped our own planet and the conditions that led to the emergence of life. The search for life beyond Earth, while still ongoing, also has profound implications for our understanding of life itself and our place in the cosmic order. Section 4. The price of pushing boundaries. Space exploration is undeniably a challenging and expensive endeavor. The cost of designing, building, and launching spacecraft, as well as the risks involved in human spaceflight, are significant. Critics often argue that these resources could be better spent addressing pressing issues here on Earth, such as poverty, hunger, and disease. While these concerns are valid, it is important to remember that investment in space exploration is not a zero-sum game. The technological advancements, scientific discoveries, and educational opportunities generated by space exploration have far-reaching benefits that extend beyond the immediate realm of space science. Moreover, the challenges of space exploration inspire us to push the boundaries of human ingenuity, to develop new technologies, and to find innovative solutions to complex problems. These advancements often find applications in other fields, leading to improvements in our lives and a better understanding of our world. Section 5. A future written in the stars. The future of space exploration is filled with promise and potential. From ambitious plans to return humans to the moon to missions to Mars and beyond, the human spirit of exploration shows no signs of waning. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets has further fueled our desire to explore the cosmos. As we venture further into the cosmos, we will undoubtedly face new challenges and make new discoveries that will reshape our understanding of the universe. Space exploration is a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. It is a journey that inspires us and challenges us, and ultimately reminds us of our shared humanity.